Before the establishment of Vaibhav hydraulics and construction equipment parved at Litadaon, India faced a major challenge. For the construction, expansion, and maintenance of ports, the country had to rely heavily on imported machinery attachments. The domestic market lacked the capacity to produce these attachments, especially for large excavators with a demand for 200-ton machines. At that time, production in India was limited to 20-ton machines, leaving a massive gap. Recognizing this opportunity, Vaibhav Hydraulics stepped in, transforming this vision into a reality and revolutionizing the industry. Our company specializes in creating customized long boom arm attachments tailored to meet diverse requirements. Our product lineup includes attachments ranging from 35 feet to 120 feet, specialized long booms for ports and heavy-duty construction, attachments designed for excavators with capacities of up to 200 tons. We cater to renowned brands like Sany, Tata Hitachi, Hyundai, Komatsu, Kobelco, and more. Established in 2019, Vaibhav Hydraulics began as a small workshop. With a focus on delivering superior production capacity, outstanding customer service, and unmatched quality, we quickly expanded our operations to 4 states. Back then, India depended on imports from Korea, China, and Malaysia, but these products often came with quality issues. With first-hand experience in the rental business, we identified these flaws and committed ourselves to creating better solutions. Through extensive research and innovation, we began manufacturing long boom attachments that revolutionized port construction, breakwater expansion, and dressing work. Today, we supply our products to some of the largest ports in India, including Adani Port in Trivandrum, Kerala, Visakhapatnam Tekli in Andhra Pradesh, Chhara, Mundra, and Rajula in Gujarat, and JNPT, PNB, and BMC in Maharashtra. One of our proudest achievements is addressing Maharashtra's groundwater depletion crisis. Traditional well digging methods using cranes or drills often took months to complete and posed severe risks to laborers. Our long boom attachments, crafted up to 80 feet in length, reduced this timeline to just 2 to 5 days, saving time, money, and lives. Farmers have greatly benefited from this innovation, and today, these machines are running with excellence, delivering impactful results. Our journey has also created employment opportunities, empowering young entrepreneurs to start with a single machine and grow their operations. This growth story has led to over 600 long boom arm attachments delivered so far. Our success has been made possible through the support and collaboration of some of the industry's leading companies, including Tata Hitachi, Hyundai, Kobelco, Komatsu, Sany, L&T, and many others. Thanks to these partnerships, we've developed groundbreaking products like the 40-meter triple boom attachment for the Hitachi EX1900. At Vaibhav Hydraulics, we are proud of our ability to innovate and deliver exceptional results. By reducing construction time, enhancing safety, and increasing productivity, we've proven our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. As we move forward, we are excited to continue building solutions that make a difference. Thank you for being part of our